Thinking in English is the real secret to speaking fluently. Have you ever felt stuck while speaking English? Like you know the words, but your mind goes blank? You first think in Hindi or Marathi, then try to translate, and by the time you speak, the moment is gone. This happens to almost every learner. But there's one powerful solution that changes everything: thinking in English. Yes, when you stop translating and start thinking directly in English, you speak more naturally, more confidently, and more fluently. In this detailed guide, we'll learn what it means to think in English, why it's so important, step-by-step methods to train your mind, daily practice techniques, and the best way to master this skill. Let's begin this beautiful journey with a calm and open mind. Thinking in English means that your thoughts, inner voice, and self-talk happen in English, not in your native language. For example, instead of thinking, "Mujhe pani peena hai," you think, "I want to drink water." Instead of thinking, "Aaj bahut garmi hai," you think, "It's very hot today." It means your mind forms sentences in English directly without first thinking in Hindi, Marathi, and then translating. Thinking in English helps in many ways. Fluency increases. When you stop translating, your speech becomes faster and smoother. Confidence improves. You no longer worry about grammar or finding the right words. They come naturally. Reduces mistakes. Translation often creates wrong sentences. Thinking directly in English avoids this. Better understanding. You start understanding English movies, podcasts, and books without needing subtitles. Helps in exams, interviews, and public speaking. Quick thinking in English gives you the power to respond without delay. Because that's how we grew up. We learned our mother tongue naturally, we thought, felt and spoke in it from birth. English came later, often through books, grammar and school rules. So our brain is trained to think in native language, then translate to English, then speak. This process is slow, stressful, and tiring. We must train our mind to skip the middle step. Thinking in English is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Let's understand how to train your brain. Begin thinking in small pieces, not full sentences. Every day, think simple thoughts in English. Tea. Very hot today. Go to office. Lunch at 1 p.m. I'm tired. These mini thoughts slowly build the habit. Keep a small notebook. Write 5 to 10 thoughts daily in English. Speak them aloud. Turn your daily life into English thoughts. The sun is bright. She is cooking. I need to clean the room. This is called thinking out loud in your head. Look around your room and say 5 sentences silently in English. As you do things, think the action in English. I am brushing my teeth. I am locking the door. Now I'm leaving for work. You'll start forming mental habits. During your morning routine, narrate every small action in English, in your mind or softly. We all have a voice inside our head. Start training it to speak English. Talk to yourself in English like a friend. I'm doing okay today. Let's not be lazy. I should finish this work. This is your English brain in action. Set a reminder. 5 minutes self-talk in English, morning and night. This is the big challenge. Stop using your native language as a base. If you don't know the English word, use a simple version or describe it. Example, don't know the word bartan? Say, I need to wash dishes, not I need to wash, bartan. Use an image dictionary app like Google Images. Search the word and learn visually. Ask yourself in English, what time is it? What should I eat? Why am I tired today? Then answer in English, it's 9 o'clock. I'll eat something light. Maybe I didn't sleep well. Use a mirror and play both roles. Ask and answer in English. Start with 5 minutes a day. Sit in silence and think only in English. You can plan your day in English. Recall a memory in English. Make a to-do list in English. Increase time slowly. 5, 10, 15 minutes. Use your phone timer. English thinking, 10 minutes. Here are some powerful tools to help. Number 1. Word replacement game. Think of a Hindi Marathi word. Replace with English. Example. Kurchi, chair. Darwaza, door. Number 2. Shadowing method. Listen to native English, repeat after them. Train your mouth and mind. Number 3. Watch without subtitles. Train your brain to guess meaning from body language and tone. Number 4. Speak first, fix later. Speak even if it's wrong. Correct it after. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Number 5. Record your thoughts. Speak into your phone what I did today. Listen back later. Observe your English thinking progress. It depends on your current level, daily practice, immersion. For most people, 2 to 3 weeks of daily practice start basic English thinking. 2 to 3 months, fluent internal thoughts. Be patient, don't rush, trust the process. I forget words. Use simple alternatives or describe the meaning. I keep switching to Hindi. Catch yourself, gently, no guilt, just restart. I feel slow. Thinking in English is like building muscles. It starts slow but gets strong. Don't stress. Don't compare yourself. Create a calm space. Practice during walks, morning tea, or bedtime. Close your eyes and imagine a day completely in English, from waking up to sleeping. Think step by step. Here's our suggested daily routine. Time in the morning and activity. Self-talk in English for 5 minutes. Time in the midday and activity. Describe surroundings in English, 5 minutes. Repeat daily. In 30 to 60 days, you will see huge improvement. Here are 15 sentences for thinking in English. What did I do yesterday? What am I doing now? What do I want to eat? What's my goal today? What's in my bag? What's the weather like? What will I do tomorrow? What makes me happy? Describe your best friend. Plan your weekend. Imagine a shopping trip. Think of a story. Think of a recipe. Describe your room. What do you want to improve in life? Use these to train your brain like a gym workout. Let's understand the full journey. First, you read and listen. Then, you start thinking in English. Then, you speak confidently. Thinking is the bridge. Cross it daily. Dear learner, thinking in English is not just about language. It's about confidence, clarity, calm communication. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice gently and daily. Start today. Think small thoughts in English. Speak softly. Smile. Trust yourself. Your mind is learning. Your voice is growing. Your English is blooming. The Speak English team.